everything jungle. We all know we are stuck wherever we are. We cannot travel easily. There are restrictions. There is quarantine. That is the sad reality. Due to that, I just ordered a portable monitor just to up my work game. I really want to focus more on vlogging. Let's do the unboxing and show you what did I order. Did I really order something? This one. Okay, let me show you. Safety number one priority. So the cameraman can show you. So first I ordered this one. This is the Ampo wireless earbuds for 30 bucks because I lost my Apple earbuds. I'm not willing to spend like another 150 or 160 with the charging case. I just bought a $29 from Amazon. Yeah, when I will be traveling again, when I will be flying, maybe I will get the AirPods again. But right now, I think so it's gonna be a good option. Here you can see. Let me show you from the back. Okay. And this one is the aluminum character stand. Okay. Let me show you the aluminum character stand. Can the cameraman stand up and then make from the top? I have a cameraman, is my wife. So this one is for laptop, just to make the laptop up, to raise the laptop, maybe for a better airflow, or maybe you wanna write. Definitely I bought it for typing. Let me just demonstrate to you. Okay, something like this. You can put your laptop here. Yeah. So you can even go like a little bit lower like this. Okay, let me just close this one. This one is again aluminum. I only paid 12 bucks. 12 bucks. Like literally you can injure someone. What do you think about this one, my wife?
Yeah, it's good. It looks very
Can you
strong.
hold?
It's very good.
Okay. This was for it, and then okay, I'm sorry. Now is the final thing, the monitor. I bought a monitor for only 100 bucks. My wife is surprised that what I'm talking about. She have no idea what did I order. Yeah, because if I told my wife in advance I'm going to buy, she'll going to give me a really long lecture. Oh Rami, you shouldn't spend money, you should save money, save some money. Okay, now final the monitor. Okay, there we go. I think I opened the wrong side. Okay, the monitor. Yeah, can you see? Can the cameraman see? Cameraman, the video is recording, right?
Yes.
Okay. Why I did not buy expensive monitor? Why I only spend 100 US dollar? Because I really want to buy something which I can use. Maybe later on I really don't have a need. Maybe I will upgrade to Asus ZenBook. Because I'm right now stuck. Should I go with the Final Cut Pro X or should I go with the Windows? I'm a personal Windows fan, but in my opinion, Mac operating system is very restrictive. Where when relative Windows operating system, you have freedom. You can navigate anywhere you want. When Mac OS, there's a lot of restriction, and then the software compatibility is also an issue, especially if you're running some legacy software. A lot of our software are made for Windows compared to Macs, unless you're talking about the latest apps. So this is a 15-inch monitor. This company is called Hongo. Hongo, yes, Hongo. I think this is the monitor. You heard me right. Even it comes with a screen protector.
This monitor?
Yeah, this is the monitor. My wife is still shocked.
It's on the laptop.
This is a monitor. Yes, a very slim monitor, by the way. Yeah.
LED type.
Yeah, LED type.
It is like TV.
So I'll be making a video how this monitor is working and how the vlogging is going on. Most likely.
This is a. Can I
Yeah, why not?
This is the cover. This cover?
Yeah, this one is covered and inside is monitor.
So it's a very good for I mean, even when the good product form with cover. I mean with cover, not without cover. So it's a good thing.
Yeah, I like it. It's very slim. I'm surprised by the slimness of it. It's very
And
thin.
with the cover, it's very safe.
And the cover I really like it. It's nice cloth fabric.
But in $100 it's very cheap.
Yeah, $100.
But how will you connect your
I will
you
use
can
the
see
USB-C.
with the ports? Can you show me?
There's mini HDMI port, but I will be using the USB-C here.